Hello, Jay Taylor here with Creative Apps. To help you get the most out of House Hunter, we created this series of short videos to walk you through the operation of House Hunter and explain how it works. Together with your realtor, House Hunter can help reduce some of the stress of house shopping, keep your data organized, and help you find the right home for you. Thanks for taking time to view this video. We hope you find it useful. So in the early videos, we walked through the feature list page, the house listing page, and the scorecard page. In this video, we'll walk through the details page. We've already populated some data in our demo system so you can see how different pieces of data are displayed on the details page. Unfortunately, we were unable to populate pictures in the simulator, so we'll not be able to show you that. But we do have screenshots available in our Facebook photo albums. Now at this point, your feature list has already been set up, and you've walked through one or more homes and captured your scores, notes, pictures, and everything else. And now you might want to review some of those details on one of your listings. This is exactly what the details page is for. It's a single-page view into all the info you've gathered on a property. To view details on a given property, select the property in question to access the scorecard. Then tap the blue Info button next to the address to open the details page. As you can see, the details page is broken into two sections. The top half has all the address information. If you made a mistake when entering the address or wish to change or add info to the property, you can correct it here. The bottom half of the page is where all your details will appear. Similarly to the features page and the scorecard page, the details page has a series of tabs. The first tab is the house summary. It has the beds, baths, square footage, etc. You will see there are a couple of fields for age of house and year built. You can enter info into either field, and the app will fill in the other automatically. You will also note there's a cost per square foot calculation as well. As long as you put the square foot info and list price info, for example, when you added the property to your list, it will calculate this for you automatically as well. If you did not capture this information at that time, you can still do it now, and it will still calculate the cost per square foot automatically. However, you will need to save the changes, exit the details page, and then come back in to see the result. Now in this case, since we already entered the information when we first added the property, the field is already calculated for us. Lastly, there is an MLS number field. This is a text field only, and it's there as an FYI or to capture a note on the MLS number. Due to the challenges and uniqueness of different MLS systems around the country, we are unable to populate this field automatically. The next tab is labeled Must Have and references your must-have list. Any feature that you prioritized as a 10 is considered a must-have. As you walk through scoring a house and its features, the app keeps track of what you have scored and compares that to your must-have list. If your must-have items receives a score of 1 or higher, the house is deemed to have that feature. However, if it goes unscored or receives a score of 0, then that must-have item is deemed missing and will appear on this tab. This is a quick way to determine if a home is missing any of your must-have items. The next tab is the Missing Features tab. It works in a similar fashion as the Must-Have tab. The difference is that now the app is comparing what has been scored to all of your features. Any feature not scored or getting a score of 0 is listed here. Once again, this is a quick way to see if a house is missing any of your desired features, regardless of the level of importance. This is also a handy way if you accidentally miss scoring an item. For example, if you thought you scored all your items, but the total score is still red, then the item that was not scored should be in this list. The next tab will display any notes you've captured on the given property. This is a display field only, and to edit any notes, you need to go back to the notes icon on the scorecard page to open up the Quick Notes menu and edit your notes there. The final tab is the Pictures tab. This will show thumbnail views of any pictures you've captured during your walkthrough. You can scroll left or right to view all the pictures of that property. Again, this is a display-only field, and if you want to view full-screen pictures, you will need to go to the Photos icon from the main page. Again, if you make any changes to the summary info or the address info, you should hit the Save button in the upper right corner to capture those changes. This concludes the walkthrough on the details page for House Hunter. Thanks again for taking time to view this video. If you have any questions or comments about House Hunter, Creative Apps, or any of our products, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd love to hear from you. You can find us on our website at www.creativeapps.com. That's www.create8apps.com. You can also find us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/creativeapps. That's all one word with a capital C and a capital A. Or on Google+, just search for Creative Apps. Please hit like or plus for this video, as this will help us spread the message to our other fans and customers. And thanks again, and have a great day.